In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work offline in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have offline mode enabled in Google Drive, and your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides will be available to open and edit without an internet connection. First, to work offline in Google Drive, we'll turn on Drive's built-in offline feature so your files can load and save locally. Next, open Google Drive. In your browser, go to drive.google.com and make sure you're looking at your Drive homepage. Now, click the settings gear in the top right. On the Drive homepage, look to the upper corner for the gear icon. Click it, then select settings to open the panel. From here, enable offline. In the settings panel, find the option labeled offline. Turn this on. Drive will prepare your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides so they can be created, opened, wiped, and edited without internet. If you see a brief loading message, let it finish. Once this is on, you can keep working normally. Drive handles the offline setup in the background. For Docs, Sheets, and Slides, offline mode covers Google's file types specifically. That means your Google Docs documents, Google Sheets spreadsheets, and Google Slides presentations will be accessible and editable even when you're not connected. Other file types stored in Drive are not covered by the setting. Now, open a file. Click to open the specific doc, sheet, or slide you want to use offline. When you open it while you're online, Drive automatically stores what it needs so that this file will work later without a connection. You don't need to press anything else here. Just open the file and let it load completely. At this point, it will be available offline automatically. That means the next time you're offline, you can open the same file from Google Drive, make your edits, and keep working as usual. Your changes will be saved locally, and when you reconnect to the internet, everything will sync back to the cloud automatically. If you're editing while offline, you can continue confidently. Your content is safe, and Drive will handle the updates as soon as it's online again. To recap on screen, we enabled offline in Drive settings, then open the doc, sheet, or slide we want to use. From now on, that file is ready to open and edit without internet access. You can repeat this by opening any other Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides you want available offline, and Drive will prepare them the same way in the background. Your offline setup in Google Drive is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.